Welcome to all of you for the present edition of Navodaya Master channel. At this video, we are discussing about prepositions. So what are prepositions? They are structural words. They are functional words. They are opposite to content words. Prepositions are connecting the different words of the sentence and they give completion and fine form to it. So I have written a list. It is not complete list. Some of the words of prepositions. Instances, all of us know what is instances. Nothing but examples. About, below, from, to, at, in, into, before, after, between, among, for, with, within, beside, on, upon, above, by, along, against, behind, etc. Because I have taken some samples, some models for guidance. All of us know to. We know the word to. To is also a preposition. And when we use to, after that, present form of verb should be used. Present form of verb, we call it as first form of verb. When we were talking about verbs, we were telling verbs have three forms: present form, past form, and past participle. In that present form of verb is called as first form of verb. So whenever we use to, after that, when we use verb, it should be only the first form or the present form of verb. This is called as infinitive. So I have written three examples of infinitives. To plus play, to plus play, to plus drink, to plus win. So what is the rule? After to, only present form of verb should be used. So as already told, prepositions, we can call it the charm of the sentence, completion of the sentence, complete form. So the program starts dash 10 o'clock. Generally for timing, we use the word at. The program starts at 10 o'clock. When we use the word at, it becomes clear the sentence is complete. He jumped dash the well. He jumped dash the well. When we put into, the sentence becomes perfect. He jumped into the well. Into preposition. There was argument dash Ramesh and Raju. Generally between among for two persons. Anything between two persons, two countries, it is two teams. There between will be used. More than two persons, among will be used. There was argument between Ramesh and Raju. There was argument, after that Ramesh and Raju means incomplete. So I already told, connecting different words. India is the best dash all the countries. We are always proud of our motherland. Really no such country as India in the world. Among, because several countries are there. So that is why we are using among. So what are prepositions? Prepositions are the structural or functional words. They give complete form and meaning to the sentence. We call it charm, some kind of charm and polish to the sentence. So infinitives. What are infinitives? To plus present form of verb. So some of the examples are given. For example, let us see how the sentence is incomplete without preposition. I am going dash my friend. I am going dash my friend. When we put with, the sentence becomes complete. So I am going with my friend. I am going with my friend. So he is standing dash me, before me, or behind me, or near me. So these are all words, small words only, near, but gives completion. So for this no separate such rules, it comes through practice. Automatically, because it is not a separate item, we are using it in sentence where different items are there. So when we go on using it, definitely we'll get clear idea about it. So let us try to use the preposition. Let us try to learn more about the prepositions, and we'll do more and more practice. Thank you.